Hello everybody. If you want to turn off your autoplay motion photos on your Samsung gallery and you are looking out how to do so, today we are going to guide you through the methods for that. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. Start by launching up the gallery application on your device for that. And once you launch it up, this is the particular interface you should be finding. Now from here you can access the menu, usually in the bottom right corner. So go ahead and tap on that menu. And once you tap on the menu, you need to select up the settings option from the pop-up menu that appears. Now once you select up your settings option here, your gallery settings opens up and there are different options available. You need to scroll to the viewing section, usually at the top right below the sync with OneDrive option. You can find the option for viewing options. So once you find it up, you just need to look out for the option called Autoplay Motion Photos. So find that option right there and you just need to toggle the switch off by tapping on this toggle option right there. To turn it off, it will turn gray. And once you turn it off, if you swipe past a motion photo in a gallery, it won't play the short clip automatically. You will need to manually tap the view motion photo icon on the photo to see the motion. And that's it. It is pretty easy method if you'd like to do so. So I may follow up these steps for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.